guys, I'm Shritama and welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to my Poojovlogs. So, I know I have been uploading these videos very regularly, and there is a fact I'm going to upload a look for each day, as I mentioned in my trailer also. So if you have not watched it, I'm going to link it down in the description. So today I'm going to be creating a Saptami look, and it's going to be very much inspired by Komal Pandey, and it's one of her signature looks, if you will. And I'm going to add a screenshot somewhere over here on the screen so that all of you can see it. And without me blabbering much, let's dive into the video. So as always, we are going to start off with our eyes, and I'm going to zoom you in close so that you can have a better look. Now this look is going to be super easy. It's sort of a uni lid, but there's just a little pop of color. So if you know how I achieved the Komal Pandey signature look for my eyes, then keep on watching. I'm going to start off by priming my eyelids using a silicone based primer. Taking my highlighter, I'm going to place it on my entire lid as a uni lid. I'm going to take this burnt orange color from the Wet n Wild Color Icon Comfort Zone palette, and I'm going to just pop it just on the outer corner. Now I'm going to top it off with some black liner, because that is what Komal Pandey does. So if you've seen, she does not draw a proper wing, she just draws along her lash line and just flicks it out. So I'm going to do the same. Now that is one eye complete. I'm going to quickly do the other eye off camera and be right back. I'm done doing both the eyes. This is the finished look for the eye, and now I'm going to move on to the rest of my face. And if you've seen the pictures, she has kind of a dewy sort of a base going on. So first I'm going to apply a little bit of primer. I'm going to use this Chotu Sa NY primer, and I'm going to slather on some primer off camera and be right back. I'm done applying a primer, and now I'm going to do something a little crazy. This is the liquid illuminator that I have. I am going to apply it on my face like a strobing cream. You can see the amount of glow that is going on my face. Now I'm going to apply a foundation on top of this dewy mess, and the foundation which I'm going to be using is the Lakme 95 Flawless Makeup Base. Along with that, I'm going to mix a little bit of the Lakme Perfecting Liquid Foundation and the Stay Quirky Foundation. So 3 foundations, I'm going to apply that on my face. Today I'm gonna highlight the highest points of my face only using this Maybelline Fit Me Concealer, and I'm in the shade 25 Medium. So I'm done concealing the entire face, and today I'm not gonna bake but use a regular compact powder, that is the Maybelline White Super Fresh Compact in the shade Marble. So I'm gonna use a brush for this. I don't like using puffs. Now I've done powdering, and it's time for me to do my eyebrows. I am not going to be using the regular standard eyebrow pencil I use. I am going to be using a black eyeshadow, because Komal Pandey really does some feathery eyebrows. Okay, now I know it's kind of turning from a Saptami look to a Komal Pandey inspired, but yeah, I thought why not kill 2 birds with 1 stone. I have done my eyebrows, but I think I went a little overboard with the brows, but I love this look. Now moving on to the cheek, we are gonna keep it super simple. Okay, now I'm gonna just slightly bronze and blush my cheek, and I'm gonna be using my contour palette that I have. I'm not gonna speak much about the palette, but I think that I'm gonna use yeah, I guess I'm gonna blend all the 3 contour shades and try and bronze my face with them. So let's see. I'm gonna go ahead with my peaches blush. Now it's gonna be a dewy look again, and I'm gonna be taking my highlighter again and using my brush. So my face is almost done, just the last touch, that is the lips, and I'm gonna be using this, the ADS Pro Matte Mini Lipstick in the shade Chrome Red. So I'm all done with the makeup look, but I am gonna set it, and not with the NYB setting spray, but it's kind of bizarre that I'm using this as a setting spray. This is the Jovi Skin Toner in the Honey variant. I have been using this as a setting spray for like what, the past 2-3 weeks, and it's worked amazing. It did set my makeup for quite some time, and also it smells great, by the way. This is the finished look here, guys, and now I'm gonna present some mandatory narcissism. So guys, that's it for this video, and do tell me in the comments what you think about this look, and do you think that I look scary or good? Just let me know in the comments. And this is the look for the Saptami, you guys. I am so excited for the look of the Ashtami and the Navami, especially about Navami, because I have got some gas ideas in my mind. So I'm not gonna further increase the length of this video, and I'm gonna cut it short here. So meet you with the Ashtami look. Till then, bye.